The framework of a great speech. Have you ever received a gift that felt truly special? Imagine opening a gift box. You lift the lid with excitement, discover something valuable inside, and close it feeling satisfied. A great speech works the same way. A strong beginning captures attention. A clear middle delivers valuable. A powerful ending leaves lasting impressions. Today, I will guide you through these three sections: beginning, middle, and ending. I am modeling this framework right now. Watch how I structure each part. Let's start with the beginning. The opening grabs attention with a question, a story, or a powerful statement. In a 3 minute speech, this should take about 30 to 45 seconds. The goal is simple: make your audience curious about what comes next. Know the middle or the heart of your speech. This is where you present your main ideas, examples, and evidence. It should take about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Organize your points clearly, use examples and transitions smoothly between them. This helps your audience follow and remember your messages. Finally, the end. Your conclusion should summarize your key points and leave me something meaningful to think about. Reserve 30 to 45 seconds for this. Use a powerful quote, a call to action, or a return to your opening ideas. Remember the gift box. The opening is the lead, the middle is the gift inside, the ending is the feeling that stays with you. So, here is my challenge: think of your message as a gift package. It with a compelling beginning, fill it with valuable content, wrap it with a powerful ending. When you do this, your speech becomes more than words. It becomes an experience people remember. Build your speech with intention. Give your audience a gift they will never forget. Thank you.